In this guide, we are breaking down how you can redeem codes here in Raid Shadow Legends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and select these three lines over on the top left. And if you're on Android or PC, you're going to see a promo code option on here. Go ahead and select that and then enter in your promo code. And of course, then you will get that reward in your inbox. Now, if you're on an iPhone like I am right now, what you're going to want to do is tap out of that and select your profile picture up in the top left, and then go down to info just like so and hit copy ID on your player ID, and then back out of this section completely, and you need to open up a web browser of your choice. From here, just search up Plarium promo code and then tap on the first link just like so, and then find this enter player ID, select it, and then paste your player ID in there, enter in your promo code, and then hit confirm, and you are good to go. Just make sure you do type your codes exactly as they're shown because they are case sensitive. Each one only works once, some are only for new accounts, and some expired codes will not work, but that is it. When you get back in game, and of course you might have to restart it, you'll instantly get your rewards in your inbox, and that is it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.